Hello friends, Magic Maths by OPM at MalviyaOP welcomes you with this interesting problem. The pizza is a circular object, therefore it has got a diameter, radius and circumference. So the diameter of the pizza would be the width of 18 inches. So we can write diameter equals the width of the pizza, that is 18 inches. And since radius is half of the diameter, so d over 2 would be 9 inches. And the circumference of the pizza is pi times the diameter. Here we can take pi as 3.14, right? Now, as the pizza was cut into 8 equal slices, therefore each slice of the pizza has its part of the circumference which is equal to 1 over 8 of the circumference of the whole pizza. Therefore, this part AB, that is the arc of the slice. So the arc, one arc AB would be C over 8. The circumference is over 8. And this will be equal to 2 pi r, or pi multiplied by diameter divided by 8, right? So we can say the distance around one slice of the pizza is distance around one slice would be equal to, in the figure, arc AB then the radius OB. One side is the radius OB and the other side is radius OA. Alright, so this will become, arc AB is pi multiplied by diameter over 8, and OB is the radius, OA is also radius, and radius is 9 inches. So this becomes pi is 3.14, diameter is 18 inches divided by 8 plus 9 plus 9, that is 18 inches. So this is the total distance around one slice of the pizza. Now let's calculate this. So this will become 9 over 4 multiplied by 3.14 plus 18 inches. Alright, so if you use your calculator, then 9 over 4 multiplied by 3.14, you will get 7.065, and plus 18 inches is already there. So this total becomes 25.065 inches, right? Now if you compare 0.065 with 25, 0.065 is very small number, so this can be ignored. It will not make any significant difference. So let us approximate it. So this become 25 inches. Hence, this is the distance around one slice of the pizza. So this is your desired answer. So friends, I hope you have liked this solution. So please share this video and do subscribe to my channel for more of such interesting problem regularly. Thank you so much for watching it.